What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can make AI generated images of celebrities. Well, actually, you can, but you won't be able to do it for the best of the qualities because there are some softwares like Microsoft Copilot and Stable Diffusion which won't allow you to, create images of the celebrities. If you search or write anything command naming the celebrity, it will just say you that it is not in their content policies. However, there are some AI tools which allow you that. So, in order to do that, you simply have to come to Google and search for free AI image generator. And then you have to go to this website, which should be deepai.org. Now you will be at this page. Now here, as you can see, I wrote a name of a celebrity and then I wrote some sort of command. Then I just did select the choose model as HD, preferences as quality, and then I'm going to click on this generate. Now it will take some seconds, obviously, to generate the image, but I don't think you will be able to you will like the result of these, but it will still get the job done. They are not the best of the results of the AI because these advanced tools won't allow you to do that. As you can see, this is the image and this is the result that we got. However, you won't be able to do this on the high-end AI tools like Microsoft Copilot, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion because it is against their policies to create images of the celebrities. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.